Are the Six Flags parks going to spend $2 million? Are they gonna really invest $2 million? Well, there is an article that says that they're going to spend $2 million. So what does this mean for Six Flags? Well, technically, if they were going to invest $2 million, this means that they're going to be adding big projects to their parks. So they said that they're going to start doing this in 2024. But perhaps this is exciting news for Six Flags because people want to see bigger rides. And so, technically, if your ride is big, it should spend over $2 million. So, what parks could they be getting? What rides? We're going to get that in just a minute here. Anyway, here's the article that Six Flags is planning to invest $2 million for 2024. I will not read it out loud because technically the video may be too long, but I just want to take a look at this for you guys. So it seems like Six Flags is really stepping up to their game, and they want to spend a lot of money and pour all that money to possibly a brand new Giga Coaster or perhaps a Strata Coaster somewhere. Uh, those are notoriously expensive rides. So if you want more information, I'll put this link in the description if you want to go ahead and check out the article. But honestly, this is something for 2024, and it's pretty exciting. So if Six Flags is really true that they're going to invest $2 million for 2024, basically they're supposed to be starting construction by now, and they would invest $2 million. I could see a Giga Coaster finally show up here at certain Six Flags parks. I could see Great Adventure get one. I could see Six Flags Magic Mountain get one, and as well as over Texas. And probably some parks will just probably get some flight ride packages. I can even see Six Flags Great America get a Strata Coaster. But to be honest, these coasters are insane, so full of thrills and everything. So, we will potentially see these coasters at several of the Six Flags parks if they were going to invest $2 million. Now, I did hear that they are changing CEOs, so that is a good thing. At least the old CEOs are greedy, but the new CEOs looks like they're going to be good. So if they're going to spend $2 million, we should be able to see these insane roller coasters and maybe Vekoma coasters. But when you take a look at the lineup, you also gotta make sure which one fits in nicely. So anyway, yeah, it's totally good news to see. So roller coasters is not their only thing. If they want to spend $2 million, they could do overall park improvements, and they could, repaint stuff and add in some new buildings possibly. But their main key here is about adding roller coasters here, and so certain Six Flags parks will probably look better if they're going to spend $2 million. And also, I've also heard that they are using that for solar panels in the parking area. So that could be one of the reasons that they could be spending $2 million. But my home park, Six Flags Magic Mountain, already started construction near the ASO Club's restaurant and next to Wonder Woman Flight of Courage. And so I also heard that they're gonna remove that, Boardwalk Gaming storage building. So I was thinking that a Giga Coaster may be coming to Six Flags Magic Mountain next year. So because if they're really starting construction now, then it should be some kind of big new roller coaster. But anyway, I just saw the construction update from our mountain underscore thrill park on Instagram, and there were tractors back there, and so that kind of gives me an idea that this is going to be some kind of Giga Coaster going to Six Flags Magic Mountain. But we don't see Great Adventure do any construction just yet. So, yeah, they can possibly also spend $2 million on some flat rides as well. And I know Six Flags Magic Mountain needs flat rides, but a lot of people requested a Giga Coaster to go to Magic Mountain. So probably the Giga Coaster will come in first. And it seems like they're also going to spend $2 million to probably redo the Sky Tower at Magic Mountain and have it back up and running. But there's a lot of things that they can do for $2 million. $2 million is a lot of money. So basically, 2024 should be an awesome year. So anyway, that's about it. So what do you guys think about this? So do you guys like this move? Do you guys hate this idea? I mean, technically, what do you guys are looking forward to for 2024? So they're trying to like do world record breaker coasters for the Six Flags parks next year. So what do you guys think about this move? So put your comments below, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.